Welcome again our YouTube channel UFI Academy. Friends, I will talk about UP free tablet smartphone yojna. So please guys, if you are visit first time, so subscribe my YouTube channel and like our videos and share in our friends WhatsApp group or others. So we'll talk about UP free tablet smartphone. That's a big question. Distribution. In our states. So you may be also know that distribution is continue ongoing. You all also know distribution is ongoing. Okay. Second, you are thinking that when I get our smartphone or tablet, so please watch full videos so you maybe understand. Okay, so stay with me and look here. First, after many discussion related our colleges and universities and schools, they tell me that distribution list last days we saw that list of Barabanki district, all university and college are named here, and you may be search in list and our his college name. And listen me, first this tablet distribution in Barabanki. Now let's start from 5th May, 5th May, 4th May, 5th May, and maybe you also find you also get our tablets maximum 12 May, within 12 May. यानी आप थोड़ा हिंदी में आपको बता दें, आपको जो टेबलेट है ठीक है 12 मई तक आपको मिल जाएगा, आपके हाथों में होगा, और 4 मई से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन शुरू हो चुका है. ठीक, तो आप लोग बिल्कुल धैर्य बना के रखिएगा. कई सारे लोगों के कमेंट्स आ रहे थे. सो आई थिंक दैट आई प्रोवाइड अ वीडियो टू यू एंड यू मे बी आवर वीडियोस एंड नो अबाउट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन related UP free tablet and smartphone. First, you may trust me. First, you may be trust me. You can be trust me. Then, because I have proved. So, if you want the list, so please join our Telegram channel Geo5 Academy, and I will provide you list of tablet distribution yojna 2021 colleges list of Barabanki district. So please stay here and believe me, and don't maybe many persons are watching many videos and maybe confusing. So please don't watch fake videos. I'll trust I'll authentic data, so I will provide you authentic news. So you maybe get tablet and smartphone 12 May and starts from 4th May, means today. Okay, so if you want to, if you are visit in first time our YouTube channel, so please like the videos and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat and Vande Mataram.